Hey friends, I am here today with Stephanie Robbins. Stephanie leads up the Youre Organics affiliate program, and so you're going to get some great insights into what is affiliate marketing, how does it work, and I think you're going to really enjoy this short interview. And so Stephanie, let's go ahead and dive right into it. What is affiliate marketing?
Affiliate marketing is a way for online entrepreneurs to promote and sell products without any risks. So essentially what that means is they can promote a brand or a product and they refer them to that brand or product's website and they earn a commission based on what those referrals are.
And so kind of give us an example of different types of affiliates that you work with that use what you're describing.
Absolutely. So our most popular affiliate for our CBD, products is health coaches or health and wellness or CBD focused sites. They could be blogs or they could be SEO niche sites. So by SEO niche sites, I mean somebody that focuses on SEO to make sure that their traffic is coming from their rankings. And these people are passionate about CBD and they want to share that with their followers, and they're getting the organic traffic or they're getting the traffic from social media. Now we also have pure social media affiliates as well. So these are people with a great Facebook following, Instagram following, Pinterest, YouTube, which is the one that performs the best and my favorite, as we're on a YouTube channel because it's a Google darling, so it always performs really well. And these people just share their passion about CBD and Youre Organics with their followers. They usually have a coupon code or an affiliate link. They send them over to Youre Organics, and when they make a purchase, they make money.
And how much money do they make?
It varies. Our top performers are making up to $10,000 a week or $5,000 a week, some of them, and some of them are smaller affiliates. They might just be making, a few hundred or a couple thousand. It really depends on how much traffic you have, how loyal your followers are, whether or not you're an expert where somebody's going to trust you and you're going to have credibility, and if you have other assets like an email list or ways to reach out to your followers. So I know that's a huge, difference in what people make, but the potential is absolutely there to make some really good money.
So basically then, if somebody's got influence, whether it's social influence or influence with a website, it could be somebody with a great pain site and they become an affiliate because they now want to recommend CBD. A banner would appear on their site, or they could use a coupon code, and then when people click the banner, come to Youre Organics, we track them, and then they make a 25% commission. Is that correct?
Correct. So the technology behind it is everything happens through a link or through a coupon code, and that is our tracking system. So they put either a banner or an image, and they have a hyperlink that they get from our affiliate network partner. And then that tracks it for up to 60 days. So anytime one of their followers makes a purchase within those 60 days, they get their 25% commission. And the people that perform the best are the ones that have experience with Youre Organics, are passionate about their brand, and have the expertise to make a solid recommendation.
So basically then, if somebody's really promoting specifically Youre Organics, it's going to have a higher conversion rate than if somebody is saying, here's a place that you can go and get CBD to help you with X, Y, or Z.
And I would say the more personal it is, the higher your conversion rates are.
Okay.
So what I really look for people who believe in CBD, they have personal experience with it, and they want to share that with their followers. And because of that experience, whether it's because they have a background on nutrition or health, or their just personal health journey, they are credible, and then that translates to sales for that affiliate.
And so obviously you're very selective. We just had a meeting prior to this video and you indicated that you only really accept about 1 out of 5 affiliates.
Right.
Talk to us about the type that you accept and the type that you don't.
I look for sites who are either CBD niche sites or health and wellness niche sites. And part of this is also because, I don't want to take up somebody's time. If I look at a site and I'm like, I can tell right off the bat it's not going to convert. I'm not going to take up that person's time and have them think that they're going to be able to make money. I'm only going to accept people that I know are going to be able to convert. So I look for high quality sites. I look for people who know how to sell, and I look for people who know how to market. And I get really excited if I see somebody that knows how to collect email addresses, because that's our top down, the best converting marketing method that we have for our affiliates.
Even better than YouTube, or is YouTube better than email?
email wins.
Really? So basically then people who've got an email list, they might send out some sort of a communication to this email list. Is that communication specifically promoting Joy Organics, or is that maybe a newsletter where they're talking about something else and of which Joy Organics ends up being a part of that?
I would say it's both. A lot of times if we're doing a special promotion, it will be a pure Joy Organics exclusive. Other times it might be a shout out and like an overall top tips for optimal wealth would be an example of a really great email campaign. And the reason why email campaigns perform so well, if you think about it, how often do you give out your email address? Mm-hmm. If you're going to get on a newsletter, you really trust that person. And trust turns into sales.
Absolutely. And so tell us then, who is the ideal affiliate? If you could just pick your ideal affiliates, what are the characteristics of an ideal affiliate?
An ideal affiliate would be somebody who is confident to talk about health and wellness issues and to talk about CBD, who's very knowledgeable about CBD. CBD is, as you know, incredibly hot, but there's a lot of people who aren't really sure if it works. Is it snake oil? How does it work? What do I take? I want to make sure that somebody can answer those questions, or at least be educated to answer those questions. Quality site, a site that I always say, I want to make sure that you enjoy, look at all my affiliate site and are proud to be associated with that affiliate. So that's always on the back of my mind when I'm approving it. So I'm looking for somebody that has a nice quality site, has really spent time on research and developing content to build loyalty and to build a tribe or a following.
Yeah, so it all boils down to credibility and influence. If a person's got a credible site, they're more likely to be trusted than somebody who doesn't. People who have built a loyal following are going to have more influence and higher conversions than somebody who doesn't. Right,
and someone who's just starting out and then they're just coming straight out of the gate selling, I think everybody's just a little bit like, I'm not so sure about this. If I see somebody who's been talking and passionate about wellness and CBD or one or the other, and they're building that conversation and that relationship, and then they're integrating in Joy Organics, now I'm going to get really excited.
Okay, so what are the kind of affiliates that you just immediately turn down that if it's somebody who meets this criteria, they might as well not even apply for our program because the answer is no?
I don't work with coupon affiliates. And the reason is I just want to make sure that all my content affiliates who put a lot of time and effort to create that content, because you just heard me list off what my ideal affiliate, that doesn't happen overnight. That's months, years of work. And I don't want them to lose a sale because somebody typed in, Joy Organics coupon. So I look for people that bring value. So I don't work with coupon affiliates at this time. I won't work with online shopping malls. Really any site that doesn't bring additional value is off the list, or a site that is brand new and doesn't have in-depth content.
And obviously we have a zero tolerance factor and basically a strike one. If an affiliate violates any of our rules, they are immediately cut off just because we can't put ourselves as a company at risk. And so talk about some of the things that are rules that people would need to follow if they're going to be part of this affiliate program.
So you have to be FTC, which is the Federal Trade Commission compliant. That means for affiliates, at any time you talk about Joy Organics, you have to let the followers know that you will be earning a small commission, which probably sounds scary, but you can actually turn that into a selling point. As I mentioned, there's already a loyal following and people want to help you because they've been, following you and you've been giving great information. So it's completely fine to say, if you click on this link, I get a commission, and that because of that commission, I can afford to keep this website up, or I can afford creating this content for you. So FTC compliance is huge. FDA compliance is also a big deal, making sure they're not making medical claims, ensuring that they are making recommendations of products that are on the same level as Joy from quality and claim standpoint. If I saw anything, that looks a little bit fishy, I'm automatically going to decline or remove. Then kind of switching gears to marketing methods. making sure that I can see where all the traffic is coming from. If I can't see a referring URL, I'll give a one-shot email to say like, hey, I'm not exactly sure where these sales are coming from. Can you give me a heads up? If I don't hear back, they're out. When I kick somebody out of the affiliate program, just to be sure, I also reverse their commissions. So it's a big deal. And no trading on bidding on our trademark. That's another big no-no.
Yeah. So.
And all that stuff is outlined in our agreement. It's
right.
all straight, but I know some people don't like to read the fine print.
and claims are a big thing in this industry. Obviously, with the FDA, we can look at FDA warning letters, and our affiliates are an extension of Youre Organics, and so we have to be very black and white on claims. So
Yes.
anybody who's making any claims, how do you handle that? Are they immediately done, or do you give them a warning?
I give them a warning, because we're still learning, right? And we're like living and breathing this stuff. And there's still stuff like, oh, we're not supposed to say that. I assume if it's an affiliate that I have a relationship with that I've accepted into the program, of course, I'm going to first reach out and be like, hey, can you change the wording on this? Or can you add this hashtag so we're FTC compliant? And usually people will work with me. If they're not willing to work with me, that's a red flag. And at that point, if I haven't been able to reach them, or they're just not willing to make the changes because they feel like the conversion rates are going to be higher if they keep making the claims, then I would say, I'm really sorry, but we're going to have to discontinue the relationship because it's not worth putting the risk of our company.
And so what does it cost for somebody to join our affiliate program?
I would say we can only give money. We cannot take any money. I don't have access to any of that. It's absolutely free. That's the benefit. You don't have to deal with merchant processing. You don't have to worry about building a store. You just have to leverage what you already have, which is your influence.
And so what kind of support materials do you provide, banners, whatever it may be, that you provide people so that they can be even more successful in promoting our program, making money for themselves, and helping Youre Organics touch more people's lives?
We have a great set of banners that we provide through our affiliate network that has all the links. We have text links, and we have videos as well, some standard CBD videos as well as Youre Organics videos. And then we have an entire affiliate resource center that gives tips on how to be successful about talking about CBD, talking about Youre Organics. There's a campaign asset page for each one of our products. They have images that you can use and modify that are completely trademark free to help create your post to be more appealing and more converting. We give tips on how to create a compelling action item for them to click on to make somebody click. We have so many resources. The Affiliate Resource Center is very deep. And then that's all supported with a Facebook group as well, which has daily tips, daily recommendations, heads up on new products, heads up on promotions. And then lastly, we give our affiliates a custom coupon code that helps increase their conversion rates. And this is an evergreen code, so it's not something you have to change all the time. And it really does a dramatic increase on their conversion rates and therefore their commissions.
So how do people get paid? They become an affiliate, they have access to your resources, they begin promoting the program, people are either using the coupon code that is designated for them, meaning we know that it's their coupon code and we pay them for everybody who uses it, or they use one of the affiliate links or the banners, and so they're successful, they're driving business, it's converting. How do these people get paid?
So payments all happen through our network partner. This is to ensure that the Youre Organics accounting department doesn't hate me. So we have over 1,000 affiliates. So you can imagine if we were sending out 1,000 little checks that we'd have to build an entire accounting department just to handle those payments. So it all happens through our affiliate network. Within the affiliate network, the affiliate sets up everything as far as how they're going to receive payment. So they have two options. They can either get paid by PayPal if they want that instant gratification, or they can do actually a bank transfer as well, which just usually takes 1 or 2 days. It's great for international and domestic affiliates. It works for both. And they set up like if they want it to be paid threshold. So for instance, they might say, I want to get paid a check or get a payment every time I get to $100, or they could say, I just want to get paid on the 15th. So they're in complete control of that, which is awesome. And it happens automatically. The difference with affiliate is we have a 30-day lock. So we kind of talked about the whole fraud thing. And with CBD being so hot, it's just the reality that we have to watch out for fraud. And as diligent as I am at reviewing all those applications, every once in a while, some bad eggs come through. I need to be able to reverse those commissions if that does happen. So we have 30 days. So if you make a sale on October 1st, it's released for payment on October 30th. So within 30 days. So if you were set up to get paid on November 1st, you would then get paid on November 1st.
Okay. And as we just talked prior to this in our little meeting, we definitely have a zero tolerance for anybody who is doing anything fraudulent related.
Right.
And just tell us very briefly how, as an affiliate, how a Youre Organics can have affiliates commit fraud and take advantage of us. And obviously this is something you're looking at every day.
I don't want to tell too many people how it's done.
Right, yeah, good.
But I can tell you, I look for referring URLs, I look for unusual conversion rates. I'm constantly looking on Google. I have different tools to watch for suspicious activities. I then check orders and see if they're an affiliate order, and then I track it back to them. So if an affiliate order is placed, that is fraud. I typically find out within 24 hours. With 24 hours, that commission is reversed and that affiliate is out of the program. We don't mess around. And the reason is too is we're protecting our affiliates. Mm-hmm. The people who work really hard to make sure they're generating sales. Some of these are not fraud in like the pure sense of the term, but they're, literally taking other people's sales. And I will not tolerate that. So I am like a watchdog on it.
Yeah. And she is. And so, obviously we're going to shoot a couple more videos after this and people can watch those. We're going to talk about some of the most common questions that affiliates have and some of the answers to that, ways that they can market. But if people in general want to learn more about the affiliate program, what is the best way for them to do that?
I would recommend starting off with joyorganics.com/affiliates. There'll be a link in the notes. If you want to dig in deeper, I would go to joyorganicsaffiliates.com, and that's our affiliate resource center. And that has all the tips and the campaign asset pages, so you can really kind of see what it takes. And it also has resources to learn about affiliate marketing, to learn about CBD, to learn more about Youre Organics. Like we have that amazing podcast, which is an amazing resource for so many people. So it has links to all that. It's a great place to start out.
And if people want to go independent of what we have and really learn how to be a successful affiliate, whether it's a Youre Organics affiliate, whether it's some bath company's affiliate, how can people be more educated so that they can learn how to really be successful as an affiliate? AffiliateSummit.com is a great resource. They have conferences throughout the year internationally and domestically, but they also have a great free magazine and newsletter and articles from managers and affiliates alike. So that's a great place to start out. Is there anything else that you want to share as we close?
I think the most important thing about affiliate marketing is to think about what you're passionate about and develop that following first and then look to monetize it. Perfect. That's my biggest advice on that. If you were going to look for one educational thing on affiliate marketing in general, I would look at SEO. And I would start off with SEO, searchengine.com, things of that nature.
Good, and we'll talk more about that on another video. So,
yes.
Awesome. This is Affiliate Marketing 101 with Stephanie Robbins here at Youre Organics. We're grateful that you took the time to watch this video, and hopefully you'll watch the ones that we're going to record following this one.